generally speaking, when you're thinking about how to end a college essay, I would say that you want to summarize the key points. What are the key takeaways that you want the reader to leave with? Because usually when we as humans read something, we are very impressed by the things at the beginning of the essay or the piece of writing, whatever it is, and the things at the end. So whatever you leave them with at the end is sort of the flavor they're going to be left with in their mouth after they finish. And for that reason, it is important to give them a sense of completion and a sense of understanding. Like, oh, that's what they were trying to say. This is the thing that they want me to know about them, right? At the same time, make sure that you're not being redundant. I know it can be kind of difficult because maybe you already said your key point earlier in the essay. Try to rephrase it and give it to them in a way that's summarizing it without just saying the exact same thing again.